New kids.
A bird that you can often see in cities, parks, and even your own backyard. They're sometimes called rock doves and are known for being friendly and smart. Pigeons are amazing at navigation. Even if they fly far away, they can find their way back home. That's why people used them to carry messages in the past. They were called carrier pigeons. Most pigeons are gray with shiny neck feathers, but some can be white, black, or brown. Some even have speckles. A peacock is a beautiful, colorful bird known for its long tail and fancy feathers. Peacocks are part of the pheasant family and are famous for their big, shiny tail that looks like a fan. The boys are called peacocks, the girls are called peahens, and together they are called peafowl. Their tail feathers have shiny colors like blue, green, and gold. They spread their tails out in a big circle to show off and attract a mate. A parrot is a colorful bird with a curved beak and strong feet. Parrots are smart and playful, and some can even talk like people. Some parrots can learn to say words, sing songs, and even mimic laughter. They don't really talk like humans, but they can copy what they hear. Parrots can be green, red, yellow, blue, orange, and even rainbow-colored. Each type of parrot has its own special look. A crow is a black bird that is very smart and full of curiosity. You can find crows in cities, farms, forests, almost everywhere. Crows can solve puzzles, use tools, and even remember faces. Some scientists say crows are as smart as a 7-year-old child. Some crows can copy human sounds like laughing, talking, and even barking like a dog. An owl is a special bird that usually comes out at night. Owls are known for their big eyes, soft feathers, and their loud, hoot, sound. That means they sleep during the day and are awake at night. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around, up to 270 degrees. This helps them look for food without moving their bodies. A bee is a small, flying insect with black and yellow stripes. Bees are super important because they help flowers grow, make honey, and are great for the planet. Bees collect sweet juice called nectar from flowers and turn it into honey inside their hive. A bee home is called a hive, and it can have thousands of bees living together. Bees fly from flower to collect nectar and pollen. This helps plants grow new flowers and fruits. It's called pollination. A donkey is a friendly, strong animal that looks like a small horse with long ears and a loud, hee-haw, sound. Donkeys have helped people for thousands of years. Even though they aren't big like horses, donkeys can carry heavy loads and walk on rough roads. A cow is a big, gentle farm animal with 4 legs, a long tail, and 2 horns, sometimes. Cows give us milk, help on farms, and say, moo. Cows make milk that people drink and use to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Cows love to chew grass. They have a special tummy with 4 parts to help digest their food. A chick is a baby chicken. It's small, fluffy, and super cute. Chicks hatch from eggs and grow up to become chickens. A mama hen lays eggs, and after about 21 days, the chick pecks its way out of the egg using its tiny beak. Most chicks are yellow, but they can also be brown, black, or white depending on the type of chicken. A goat kid is a baby goat. It's small, cute, playful, and full of energy. Just like baby humans are called children or kids, baby goats are also called kids. Just a few minutes after they're born, baby goats can stand up and start walking around. A duckling is a baby duck. Ducklings are small, fluffy, and super cute. They love to swim, waddle, and follow their mother everywhere. Mama ducks lay eggs in a nest. After about 28 days, the ducklings hatch out and start their adventure. Ducklings are born knowing how to swim, but they stay close to their mom to stay safe in the water.
A lamb is a baby sheep. Lambs are soft, fluffy, and full of energy. They love to run, jump, and stay close to their moms. When a sheep has a baby, it's called a lamb. When the lamb grows up, it becomes a sheep. Lambs are covered in soft wool that keeps them warm. Some have white wool, while others can be brown or black. A cow is a big, gentle farm animal. It has 4 legs, a long tail, and usually says, moo. Cows eat grass, hay, and sometimes special food called cattle feed. They chew a lot because they have a special way of digesting food, called rumination. That means they chew their food twice. Milk. Cows give us fresh milk that we drink and use to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. A buffalo is a big, strong animal that looks like a cow, but it's usually darker in color and has strong horns. Buffaloes are calm and helpful animals. Buffaloes eat grass, plants, and hay. Like cows, they chew their food twice and have 4 stomachs to help with digestion. Buffalo milk is thicker and creamier than cow's milk. It's used to make things like paneer, curd, ghee, and butter. Buffaloes live on farms, in villages, or near water. They love to take a dip in ponds or mud to cool down. A goat is a small farm animal with 2 horns, a beard, and a funny little tail that goes up and down. Goats love to jump, climb, and explore. Goats eat grass, leaves, vegetables, and even plants and twigs. They're always nibbling on something. Goat milk is healthy and is used to make cheese, yogurt, and even soap. Some goats, like Angora or Kashmir goats, give us soft wool used to make warm clothes. A sheep is a gentle farm animal covered in soft wool. It has 4 legs, a short tail, and usually says, baa. Sheep love to eat grass, hay, and plants. They are always busy grazing in the fields. Sheep give us soft wool, which is used to make sweaters, blankets, hats, and socks. Some sheep also give milk, which can be used to make cheese and yogurt. A horse is a big, strong animal with 4 legs, a long mane, and a flowing tail. Horses are fast runners and love to gallop. Horses eat grass, hay, grains, and sometimes carrots or apples as treats. A donkey is a friendly farm animal that looks like a small horse. It has long ears, a short mane, and a loud voice that sounds like hee-haw. A baby donkey is called a foal, just like a baby horse. It stays close to its mother and loves to play. Donkeys have super long ears. They help them hear well and stay cool. Donkeys are very smart and can remember things for years. They are very gentle, but also stubborn. They stop when they feel unsafe. Donkeys live on farms, in villages, or in stables. They like dry places and open fields. A pig is a farm animal with a round body, a flat nose, and a curly tail. Pigs love to roll in mud and make a sound called oink. Pigs eat grains, vegetables, fruits, and scraps. They are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and small animals. Pigs are raised for meat, such as pork, bacon, and ham. A dog is a friendly, furry animal that is often called a person's best friend. Dogs come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. They say, woof, bark, or bow wow. Dogs eat dog food, meat, rice, and sometimes vegetables. They love treats like bones, biscuits, and sometimes cheese. Dogs are great pets and companions. Some dogs help guard homes or protect animals on farms. Special dogs can help people who are blind, deaf, or need support. Dogs can also work with the police or rescue teams. Dogs live in homes with people or in kennels. They need a safe, clean, and loving place to live. A cat is a small, furry animal with sharp claws, pointy ears, and a long tail. Cats love to purr, nap, and say, meow. Cats eat cat food, milk, fish, meat, and sometimes rice or chicken. They love tasty treats like tuna. Cats are lovely pets and like to sit in warm, cozy spots. They love to play, climb, and chase mice or toys. A hen is a female bird that lives on farms. It has feathers, a beak, 2 legs, and says, cluck cluck. Hens eat grains, seeds, worms, insects, rice, and vegetable scraps. They love pecking at the ground to find food. We eat eggs boiled, fried, scrambled, or in cakes and cookies. A rooster is a male chicken. It has bright, colorful feathers, a big red comb on its head, and a loud voice. Roosters say, cock-a-doodle-doo. Roosters eat the same as hens, grains, seeds, insects, and vegetable scraps. They like to scratch the ground to find tasty bugs. Roosters protect the hens and the chicks from danger. They wake everyone up early in the morning with their loud crowing. Roosters keep the flock safe by watching out for predators. Roosters live on farms in the same place as hens, in coops or chicken houses. Roosters can be very brave and sometimes loud. They use their tail feathers and crow to show other roosters who's boss. A duck is a water bird with webbed feet, a flat bill, and soft feathers that help it swim. Ducks say, quack, quack, and love to splash in water. Ducks eat plants, seeds, insects, small fish, and algae. They love to dabble in ponds and lakes to find their food. Ducks lay eggs that people can eat, just like chicken eggs. Duck feathers are soft and used for making pillows and blankets. Ducks live near ponds, lakes, rivers, or farms. They like water where they can swim and find food. Ducks have webbed feet to help them swim fast. Their feathers are waterproof because of a special oil they spread with their beaks. A goose is a big water bird with a long neck, webbed feet, and feathers that help it swim and fly. Geese make a honking sound like honk, honk. Geese eat grass, plants, seeds, and sometimes small insects. They like to graze in fields or near water. Geese lay eggs that people can eat, just like chicken eggs. A turkey is a big bird with a fan-shaped tail, a red wattle, that's the skin under its beak, and strong legs. Turkeys make a sound called a gobble gobble. Turkeys eat seeds, insects, fruits, plants, and sometimes small animals like bugs. A rabbit is a small, furry animal with long ears, big eyes, and a short fluffy tail. Rabbits love to hop and nibble on plants. Rabbits eat grass, leaves, vegetables, and fruits. They especially love carrots. Rabbits are great pets and live in homes or gardens. They dig burrows or tunnels to live safely underground. Rabbits are very fast and quiet, which helps them avoid danger. Wild rabbits live in fields, forests, and meadows. Pet rabbits live in hutches or inside homes. A camel is a big animal with long legs, a long neck, and 1 or 2 humps on its back. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they live in hot, dry places. Camels eat dry plants, grasses, and thorny bushes. They can survive on very little food and water. Camels help people by carrying loads and helping with transportation in deserts. They give us milk that people drink. An ox is a big, strong animal that looks like a cow but is usually trained to help people do hard work on farms. Oxen have big horns and strong muscles. Oxen eat grass, hay, and plants, just like cows. Oxen help farmers by pulling carts, plowing fields, and carrying heavy loads. They are strong and work hard to help grow food. Oxen live on farms and in villages, usually in stables or barns. A yak is a big, furry animal that lives in cold, mountainous places like the Himalayas. Yaks have long hair to keep them warm and big horns on their heads. Yaks eat grass, plants, and shrubs found on mountain slopes.